In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show completed tasks in ClickUp so you can easily see your closed tasks. Begin by navigating your browser to clickup.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, signing up is pretty straightforward, and once you're in, you'll have access to your workspaces and tasks. Now, once you're logged in and situated on the dashboard, you'll want to select the workspace where your project resides. ClickUp organizes everything into workspaces and projects, ensuring that your tasks are neatly compartmentalized. So, take a quick look over your available workspaces and click on the one you need to work on today. Remember, organization is key, and selecting the correct workspace will direct you to the right set of tasks. After selecting your workspace, the next step is to navigate to your desired project. Your project list should appear on the screen. Select the project you are interested in, and let's move on to the next procedure. Look towards the left-hand panel and find the list view. This is ClickUp's way of showing you your tasks in a list format, providing a clear, itemized view of everything on your plate. Click on this list option. It might take a few seconds to process, especially if you have a lot of tasks loaded, but it's well worth the wait. Using the list view allows you to see your tasks at a glance, making it much easier to manage and assess your workload. Having clicked List, you'll notice a range of options beneath your selected project. Here, you want to focus on a specific tab that says Closed. Click on this tab because that's where all your completed tasks are stored. Think of this as opening a drawer that neatly contains all the work you've accomplished. It's these sorts of functionalities within ClickUp that really improve efficiency and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. To give you a pro tip, if you're not seeing the Closed tab immediately, it might be because there are no completed tasks within that specific project. A good way to double check is to ensure you have tasks listed as completed in the first place, and then perhaps try refreshing the view. After clicking the Closed tab, your completed tasks will populate onto the screen. This is your opportunity to look back over what you've accomplished. Reviewing these tasks not only helps in reflection and planning for future projects, but also brings a sense of achievement when you see how far you've come. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily access and view completed tasks within ClickUp, ensuring you stay organized and on top of your workflow. Be sure to revisit these steps whenever you want to manage your completed tasks, and feel free to explore any other features that ClickUp offers to optimize your efficiency. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.